Hi growers, this is Miriam and I am here with David at Tom's Tumbler here in Los Angeles. Today we're going to show you how easy it is to assemble a TTT 1900. You will need a drill or a screwdriver and a wrench to put your tumbler together, and a rubber mallet if you have one. Your Tom's Tumbler will arrive in this discreet packaging. Written instructions are included inside. The motor and parts are in this white box. Be sure to pull out the parts bags, which contains 9 pieces. The frame is stacked in the way you will assemble it, so be sure to put the bottom part on the bottom with the holes up. You will get 6 legs for base assembly and 4 legs for dust cover assembly. Let's start with the frame. Simply put the legs in each of the 6 holes and tap with a part of the frame or a rubber mallet to secure the legs in the frame. The recycled PVC frame is very sturdy. Next, unwrap your motor and the long black screw. Place your motor on the outside of the frame, with the shaft going through the frame. Put the black screw through the frame from the inside and tighten to the motor. Tighten this only by hand, as this is only an alignment screw. Do not over tighten. Next, pull out the plastic clamps and small screws. With the drill, attach the 2 clamps onto the motor with 4 small screws. Do not over tighten the clamps. Next, attach the power cord to the motor and plug it in. This will help you with assembly. Next, screw the motor coupler with thread with hex bushings to the motor from the inside of the frame. Now put the shorter coupler on the other side through the bearing. Next, assemble the barrel of the tumbler. Grab the 2 pans and axle. This is easiest to do with someone. Thread the first drum carefully onto the axle. Don't force it. It should screw on easily once you get it started. Next, screw the other drum on the other side. Once started, have someone stand on the other side and rotate with you to tighten. Each person should rotate to the right. Once assembled, you want to attach the pans to the 2 hex bushings on the frame. Make sure the axle is leveled. You want to be very careful not to cross-thread these when you screw them on. Do not let your pans drop as you do this, as you could bend the coupler or the axle. Start the thread the bushings into the flanges on the inside of the pan. Using your wrench, tighten one side and then the other. Make sure these are tight on both sides. If you turn your pans the wrong way, you could unthread the barrel. You don't want to do this. Your tumbler comes with 3 nets, a large hole for trimming, a small hold mesh for separating, and a keef net for keef extractions from your trim. These are easy to put on and take off. The mesh nets are industrial nylon with an antimicrobial treatment. They will last for thousands of pounds of trimming. To attach the nets, simply start on each side, pulling tight across the pans. Turn on the motor slowly while guiding these nets. Once fully on, zipper close. Note that one of the zippers opens in all the way and one does not. This is to keep the 2 sections together while you fill the barrel. Next, attach the funnel flow bag to the bottom of the frame using the Velcro strips. This makes it easy to take off the bag for cleaning. Now attach the dust cover. Simply tap each leg into the top of the frame and add the top frame. Put the dust cover over the frame. Your tumbler is now ready to use. Your tumbler comes with a manual speed control, but we recommend the highest speed, which is 35 RPM. Make sure your flour is properly dried, which means it is brittle to the touch. Don't worry, it will rehydrate quickly once bagged. Remove stems and water leaves. You can put a mixture of bud sizes in at one time. Put 1 to 2 pounds of flour into the barrel. 2 pounds for this model is ideal. about 2 to 3 inches below the axles. Less than 1 pound is too little and it won't trim well. Turn on your tumbler. You should see trim falling off your buds and through the funnel flow into your catch bin. If it is not, stop the tumbler. This means your bud isn't dry enough or you do not have enough weight in the tumbler. You need weight for this to work. If you do see trim flowing off, stop your trimmer in 2 minutes and again in 3 minutes. It should be done or almost done. Do not tumble longer than 4 to 5 minutes. Open the zipper and check your buds. They should be 85 to 95% trimmed, with only minimal touch-up needed. When done trimming, it is easy to put a new clean bin underneath and voila! That's all there is to it.
Easy peasy.
Easy, right? If you do have any questions about assembly, please call us at
800-601-0797.
Tom is usually available for any questions you may have. This is Miriam.
And I'm David Vines.
And we are signing off. Make sure you go on YouTube and check out our other videos on assembly and use as well.
And be sure to follow us on Instagram at Tumbler.